Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Preetham's Code Journal. In this video, we will study about sets. We have done the numerical, data types, strings, list, tuples. Okay, we'll do the dictionary in the next video. So first of all, let us go ahead and learn about sets. Okay, so I will just write a comment about set and we'll start the examples. Okay, so we have seen that tuples have round bracket, that is normal, list have square brackets, okay, but sets have curly brackets, and the dictionary also have curly bracket, but it has a key value pair. We will see that in the next video. Okay, so first of all, let us focus on the sets. So sets are like created by specifying comma separated values, as we have done earlier too in the list and tuple. Sets element are unordered and unindexed. Unlike the list, then they do not allow the duplicate entries. Unlike list, and set cannot contain mutable elements. Okay, means they cannot be changed. They are immutable. So let us write the definition. Sets similar to list, but they do not allow duplicate entries. Okay. So if you write that set 1 equals to 1 2 3 4 5 5, then while giving the output you will only get 1 2 3 4 5, means you won't get 5 two times. So our first set would be containing in variable my set 1 with the curly brackets and the values with commas. Okay, so let us print this. We just have to paste the my set 1 as parameter in print function. So we got the output 1 2 3 4. Now let us have duplicate values. Look over here, we only got 1 times 4, but we had 2 times 4 in the my set 1. Okay, so let us have another example. Okay, in that example we will have list and tuple inside this set, and we will see which gives an error. Well, I will tell you first that list gives an error as a set cannot contain a mutable element in it. Okay, so however a set itself is mutable, that is we can add or remove items. So we can have a tuple inside a set because tuple itself is non modifiable, that is immutable. We can have tuple as an element in set but not the list. Okay, let us write the reason also. So but not list because sets do not allow mutable elements. Okay, so because sets do not allow mutable elements. Okay, so let us have that example now. Let us name that set as my set 2. Okay, so my set 2, and we will have list inside it because list would give me an error. So 1 2 3, and I will have 4 and 5 in the list. Okay, and list has square brackets. So here we have the error that it is a unhashable type, that is list. Okay, so let us change it to a tuple, that is with the round brackets. So I'll just copy paste it. I will have a comment over here in this one that it was an error, list not allowed. Okay, so let us change this to a tuple by changing the square bracket to round brackets. So we have the result. Okay, so I haven't used the print statement for the my set 2. So let us run this and we'll see the output. Okay, so we haven't got any error in this. Okay, so what are the key points of this sets? That sets do not allow duplicate entries, it doesn't contain mutable elements, and we cannot have list inside this, but we can have tuple. Okay, so one more thing, that it is an unordered and unindexed, unlike the list that we saw earlier. So once again, list are in normal round brackets, tuples in square brackets, and sets in curly brackets. So let us write it down. Tuple element allowed because tuples are immutable, that is not modifiable. So that's all for the sets part. We'll cover the dictionaries and a lot more of Python in the next videos. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. If you found the video informative, then do like it, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, then press that bell icon and the subscribe button so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Bye bye.